5 years on, mastermind of the 26/11 dreadful attack still roams free. There has been no significant progress in the investigations into the attack by Pakistan as the country continues to ignore mountain of evidences provided by India.
A cowardly attack in the heart of India's financial capital. Over 166 innocent lives snuffed out. But the masterminds of this deadly attack roam free even after 5 years. The investigation that has been trailing for years now is far from reaching the end.
Antony has called for maximum punishment, but there is no sign that Pakistan is listening, because for the last 5 years, all Pakistan has done is virtually nothing.
Despite a mountain of evidence and several dossiers sent from India, Pakistan is still to take any real action against the perpetrators of 26/11 attack.
Dossier is just information. It is not a proof of some fact. It is not accepted as an evidence in the courts of Pakistan. One thing. Secondly, so far as VOIP calls are concerned, there is no concrete evidence to substantiate that those calls were made from Pakistan.
Islamabad has so far dragged its feet on the probe, with almost no progress in the investigation.
Evidence में पूरा बताया है कि how that arrested accused are involved in 26/11. मैं उनका एविडेंस दिया है, और एविडेंस के तौर पे मेरे पास जो भी कुछ है वो मटेरियल भी उनको बाय वे ऑफ डिपोजिशन मैं दे दिया हूँ.
And despite the Pakistani Judicial Commission making 2 visits to India, no action has been seen on the ground.
Though 5 years have passed since the Mumbai attack, the case has made little headway against the alleged mastermind Zakir Rahman Lakhvi and 6 other accused. Their lawyer Rizwan Abbasi said that he will request the court to expedite the trial. Otherwise, he will approach the High Court for speedy trial.
Hollow promises from Islamabad, and several U-turns later, India continues to fight for justice.
Pakistan thinks many a times on the government side. We have already explained our position. They should book the culprits.
There's enough proof against this man who sat in Karachi and remote-controlled 26/11. Just the fact that he's free and spreading venom against India speaks to what was said versus what has been done in the fight against terror. Bureau Report, Times Now.